Hey you, yes, I'm talking to you. Having a trouble with studying? This video help you. First, let us understand what is studying. It is the process of taking information and understanding in a simpler way. When you read a book or an article, it is just we are taking the information, right? Then, what is the hard problem while studying? Well, it depends on the person to person and the method of reading. I know a lot of people cannot read and be a perfect. For example, let's take a Pioneer. He's a YouTuber who makes content on technology, freelancing, and also fitness. But not everyone is like us. So what we do? It's very simple actually. First, we should break into steps. If you have really have a hard time studying it, then make a habit of studying. It is a simple tip. But don't start with a book, reading a book or textbook. Start doing what you like. For example, if you like movies, then start writing a review or read about it. Read the details about the movie, articles around the movie. That's how you can make a habit. And you have to break into the steps. For example, if you want to write a essay, you won't just write a 500 words in a simple day. No, just break into the steps. What I should write, what should I read, what should I do. That's how we're gonna make it things easy. And we have to focus. For example, there is a YouTuber Preach who makes amazing content you can learn in 5 minutes, but you gotta focus. Remember, he is a good contenter, not sponsored. He talks about focus, and focus is very necessary. Without focus, we can't do. But focus can be only developed by practice, like Mike says. He learns different kind of skills in every week, not sponsored, but he practices. So practice, focus, and how to use it. Let's say you are writing an article. You have to write an essay. Start, take a time. Start writing essay on which you like, movies, cartoons, वगैरह वगैरह, and then make it a habit of writing every day. Then you can write essays easily. Or reading a book, start reading books which you might like, one page every day. That's all. Or visit a library, 2 minutes rule. Just sit there for 2 minutes. Within a month you will start mastering a reading. And reading is just a simple thing. If you can read, if you can understand your mother tongue or a language, then you can read. It is just others who are the topper or good at studies, they like to put this kind of thought in your head that education is not necessary. Education is necessary. Find a job, you need education. Need a loan, you need education. Knowledge is different and education is different. Education is necessary. And don't listen to this kind of bullshit where education is not necessary. Education is necessary, but how you wanna use it is depends on you. Thank you.